Now our next section is water for plants. In our country, the main sources of water for crop is monsoon rainfall. Our farmers depend on rains, but some areas receive less or no rainfall at all. Farmers in these areas need to supply water to the fields to grow crops. Supply of water to the field to grow crop is called irrigation. मतलब आप समझ सकते हैं कि हम जब सप्लाई करते हैं वाटर टू द फील्ड्स where there is no rainfall, okay, in some of the areas there is no rainfall, then how will we grow the crops? We have to supply the water to the fields, and this way we grow the crop, and this process is called irrigation. It reduces the dependency on rain. As you see, children, nowadays rain comes, but sometimes you can say, yes, the rain is not there, then what will we do? In India, wells and tube wells are the major source of irrigation. In some areas, canals, tanks are also used for irrigation. As we have learned, wells, tube wells, these are also we use for the our household work. But for the irrigation, we use tanks, canals also. So now we will see how we use it for irrigation. Sources of irrigation. Wells, see, wells are dug about 5 to 10-meter deep to reach underground water. A widely used method for uplifting underground water is the Persian wheel or rahat. It is the partly submerged vertical wheel with buckets attached to the rim. When animals such as bullock turn the wheel, the buckets attached to the rim also turns. You can see the rim here in the picture I have shown to you. The buckets at the bottom are filled with water, and when they rotate, they empty the water into the channel that irrigates the land. Nowadays, electric pumps are used to draw water from the well, but in some area, the people are still using it. The second way is through tube wells. Sometimes underground water is at the depth of about 15 meters, very deep, or more than that. At that time, it is difficult to dig well to reach it. A deep bore is made with a drilling instrument. Water is drawn out with the help of an electric pump. This is called a tube well. It is also very common. You can see it in your neighborhood on or at your place also. Tube wells and in the fields also. It is very useful. Okay. See the picture, you can see it. Okay, how it works. Now, the tanks. Tanks are constructed to collect rainwater. This rainwater is then used for irrigating fields. Okay, very simple tanks. You must be using it at home also. Now, canals. What are these canals? Canals are an important source of irrigation in India. Water from the main river is diverted into small human made channels that irrigate the land. That is why canals are very important for us.